Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today we're going to be doing the final part, I hope, of Interior Design Plays House Flipper. So in this part we're going to be decorating the bedroom and bathroom, which I'm hoping are going to be easier than, like, you know, the kitchen, dining room situation area, because, you know, I'm hoping that, you know, you can't really go wrong with a bedroom. Like, I mean, you can't really go wrong. So I'm just hoping that the furniture selection for bedrooms are good. And I mean, we're not going to get any excitement at the bathroom, so I probably even record that part. We'll probably just do the bedroom in this part, because, you know, we're just, yeah. So guys, without further ado, let's just, you know, hop right into this. Okay guys, so we're in the game now, and I've just noticed I'm, like, you know, very green today. I've got my green mug, green jumper, and green painting, you know. It's a lot of green, but I like green, so it's good. But we're basically in the room now, so I have started. Don't hate me. I have started. I put up 2 panels there because I'm thinking I want to panel one wall, just add in a bit more texture into the space, because, you know, there's no, like, cool wallpapers or anything, so, you know, we can't get really, you know, like, fun and exciting with patterns, so, you know, we're just going to have to go with textures. And I cleaned the windows, and I cleaned the floor and the ceiling. We're going to be getting rid of that light. I can hate that much. Or maybe we won't, because, like, the lighting section of this game is, like, terrible as well. So, but yeah, so what I'm going to do now is just panel this wall, and I'll check back with you then when I do that. I just have to say, I hate these little parts of the window. Like, they're just so annoying, because you use the same amount of wood as the long parts, you know. And I hate that you can only pick up one at a time. It's just so, like, time consuming. Okay, we have this wall all panelled. Now what we need to do is paint the rest. I'm just going to paint it all in white, because, you know, the paint section, this is just so, like, horrible. And yeah, even, like, just I think this will be my last time ever playing this game. Don't hate me, don't unsubscribe for that statement, but it's just, you know, nothing, like, it's just not nice. Let me see that. Let's see here, like, this is the paint section here. I mean, do I want to go with, like,
one eternity later?
I'm just going to go with white. Boring, 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 but you know what? It's what we gotta do, you know, it's to make it a bit brighter. Because otherwise it's gonna stay dark, you know? And I feel like this is a very boring conversation that we're having, but we're having it. See, we're flipping this house for people to buy, so, like, I suppose when you're flipping a house, you have to kind of keep it very, you know, simple, because, you know, you want, like, every kind of customer to, or, like, buyer to like it. So, I mean, I feel like you can't get any simpler than white. Can you? I don't think so. Okay, so now that we've got the room all painted and panelled, I think it's time to go into the shop and buy our furniture. I'm actually excited to see what kind of beds they have. So guys, if you want, you can buy a messy, unmade bed. Huh, who knew? I think for this though, we're just going to keep it very simple, modern. I mean, that's kind of cool with the pattern. Let me see this one. Oh. We can get creative here. Okay, do we like that though? I mean, no. I mean, it'll look better on paper, but you know what, we're just gonna... Oh, this is bedding. Oh my god. See, like, look how old-fashioned this bedding is though, like, as well. Like, seriously, who even would be using this sort of bedding? No one. Like, this end table, I'm sorry, is way too tall, first of all, for this space. Like, way too tall. Way, way too tall. I'm just gonna finish this room off with a rug and a radiator. And then guys, you know what? I'm calling it quits because, well, actually I'm not going to quit because, you know, I shouldn't quit. But I refuse to play this game anymore. Because you know what, you guys? This is not fair. How is an interior designer meant to design a home in this game when there's no nice furniture in it? Okay guys, so we have the house, well, fully finished now. So I'm just going to give you a quick like overview tour of it, just, you know, before we finish this off. So in here we have the kitchen and dining room, and like a little space to sit and put your keys and maybe read a book or something. Doesn't look like the comfiest chair, but you know what? And I hate these lamps. I don't know why I chose them. They look like bathroom lights, but you know what? We're just gonna move past that. We have these, you know, kitchen, dining room. I mean, I like the layout. I just don't like the furniture. I mean, everything in this game, like the furniture in this game is so old-fashioned. But anyway, I have a random glass door that goes out to the garden. Then in here we have a little kind of, you know, cubby, you know, archway that goes into the bathroom and bedroom. I really like this. That's like, you know, the bathroom and bedroom are separate from, like, you know, the living space. So here's our bathroom. Woo! It looks great. It has a new toilet, new shower, new sink, new mirror that's clipping into the sink, and this is the only mirror that's available in the game also. Only shower that's available in the game. And just, yeah, it's not very special, is it? Then we have the bedroom and the most exciting room of the house. Not really. The bedroom. Yeah. Anyway, let's move back out here. Okay, now let's get real. Let's pull this camera closer. Put me into full screen, please. Thank you very much. Okay, final thoughts on this game. I like the idea and I like the concept of the game. I like the idea and of flipping house. I think that's like really fun and an amazing game idea. I think house flippers should be updating their game very regularly with new furniture and pieces that are more up to date and current, and, you know, on trend, because, you know, at the minute this feels very like, you know, 2013, 15 kind of era vibes I get from it. Even, yeah, I don't like it. I just think it's frustrating, especially, like, you know, for someone who loves interior design and loves all things homeware and design. I just think it's, I mean, it's not there, but I think it's a good game for people who are interested in flipping houses and, you know, really want to go to a detailed look on, you know, plumbing. Well, not really, like, you know, it's a simulation game, I suppose. I don't know, you guys. Might as well order play this one, but I will more than likely not be playing this again because it just annoys me that there's not enough furniture options, and like the selection of furniture is just so limited. But I will play the game if House Flipper, you know, updates the furniture in the game and put some, like, you know, cool pieces in, because then I'll play it. But at the minute, it's a no for me. So sorry, not sorry. But yeah, guys, anyway, let's move on from that. I'm gonna say goodbye now. I really hope you enjoyed. Please, you know, like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell just to notify you when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.